Can you see this one can tip, can hold. This magnet is very strong. It can hold. Yeah. Okay. Suppose I put a copper plate. If I put in between this, what do you think will happen?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Will it still be attracted?
Yes.
Of course, yes. It still be attracted. In other words, the magnetic field can pass through the copper plate. Alright. Take the aluminium. Take the aluminium. Okay. Can it pass through?
Yeah.
Yeah. The magnetic field can pass through, right? Okay? Yeah. But then, if you try to use this iron plate, what happens?
You get stuck.
Yeah. Try.
You get
So, what is actually happening is the magnetic field got sucked into all this iron and come out here. And when it comes out here, there is no magnetic field here to attract this anymore. See? Cannot attract. Cannot attract. It can only attract. What happened? It can only attract when it is on the side of the iron plate. Say on this side. Say on this side. Can you see? It can only attract when it's on this side. On the side. But not when it is underneath. Not when it is underneath, it will drop. But if you put on the side, see? It will attract, right? On the center, very difficult. On the side, see? Oh, cannot, right? Yeah, but this one no problem. You try to put it on the center, cannot. No way in which you can attract. Like, yeah, on the side, no problem. See, on the side, no problem. On the center, it was going to attract. But here is no problem, Okay, try the other one. Try this. Okay, put underneath. There, no problem at all. Okay, here no problem. See? Oh, he's turning around like that. How come he turn around so fast? Okay. Even if you put aluminium over it, it will still go across. It will still go across. And now you put iron over it. Okay, that's good.